my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate your time. In today's video, I want to dive into an in-depth review and take a close-up look with you at this book that I wrote called The Book About Fake Tattoo Skin. I will leave my Amazon affiliate links for you in the description below so you can check out this tattoo book on your end. I'm also going to go ahead and go through a flip through, show you these pages close up so that way by the end of this video you will know what to expect from this book. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. The book about fake tattoo skin is available in hardcover and paperback format, in which I will show you a close-up look here. These are available on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. You can go to either or Amazon.com or Barnes & Noble, type in Daniel Yuck or the book about fake tattoo skin, and the book will pop right on up. I do understand that it may be a little difficult to see the book from over there, so I'm going to bring you close on up so that way you can take a close-up look at the book with me. Here we have a top view of the book about fake tattoo skin. On the left is the paperback format and on the right is the hardcover format. You can see that they are very similar in size, however the only difference is paperback and hardcover. You really can't go wrong with either or. If you're a paperback person, paperback is the way to go. If you are a hardcover person, hardcover is the way to go. Allow me to show you the book's full 360 here. So this is the hardcover version. This is the width of the hardcover version. Let me show you the side with the pages, and I'll do the same with the paperback. This is the back of the book right here. Let me give you a quick flip through of the hardcover. So my book about fake tattoo skin offers my experiences with fake skin. I also share high quality images. I do share QR codes to various resources, and at the end of the book I even share with you how you can go about making your own fake skin as well. Let me give you a quick flip through here. So you can see there's loads of images and infinite read through. That is the hardcover right there. It's the exact same thing with the paperback. However, what changes is just the paperback format. Here is the width of the paperback. This is the spine right here. The back of the paperback copy. And it's the same thing, again, just paperback here. Here is a closer look at the cover. This is the hardcover version right here. Here's a page where I share some close-up textures of this rose tattoo that I did, along with a little note right there, as you can see. Here is another page of some fake skin that I tattooed, of a before and after. Here is another page where I begin to share with you in a step-by-step process how I go about applying stencils to my fake skin. Within the book about fake tattoo skin, I also share with you various different resources, such as various types of fake skins that are out there, different silicone limbs that are available to us, and I also share with you various QR codes that will direct you right to the product pages that you can scan right from your smartphone. You can see within the book about fake tattoo skin, it's not only about tattooing. I do dabble a little bit about piercing as well, and share with you some of the resources that are available for piercing as well. From silicone hands to silicone feet, to my negative experiences that I've had with fake tattoo skin. So you can see just by this initial glance that the book about fake tattoo skin is jam-packed and loaded with information, images, my experience about fake tattooing skin, and different products that are available to help different tattoo artists, PMU artists, and even piercers around the world. So as you can see, the book about fake tattoo skin is jam-packed and loaded with various useful information that anyone throughout their tattooing career can take and utilize on their end. Not only that, it has a bunch of high quality images that keep you you entertained for hours on end. My goal with the book about fake tattoo skin is to raise awareness on the various products that are available to us so that way we can learn and practice, but more importantly to also raise awareness on the fact that we can get good at tattooing prior to ever tattooing human skin by just utilizing the resources that are available to us, which is fake tattoo skin. From my experience, I was able to tattoo enough fake skin, enough to build enough rapport and get comfortable enough to tattoo, so that way when I actually did start tattooing human skin, it felt a lot more natural than it would have if I never tattooed on fake skin. I feel like establishing that comfortability on fake skin allowed me to be a lot more confident when I tattooed human skin, which resulted and impacted my work for the better. I was able to produce better results by being patient with the process, learning all the technical applications on fake tattoo skin, in which I do go over all of this in this book. I also make it very easy for you to locate and find the resources that I'm speaking about here in this book by sharing QR codes with you that you can simply scan with your smartphone to navigate to any of the product pages. That right there is my book about fake tattoo skin, in which I will leave my Amazon affiliate links and other affiliate links for you in the description below so you can check out this book on your end. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would appreciate the support over there as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all and more books like this for you. With that being said, I thank you for your time. I appreciate your support. You have a great day.